Hello friends, I'm Ashish. Welcome to my channel Learn English with Ashish. If you are new in this channel, so please subscribe and like this video because today is the first video of grammar and I hope if you have anywhere of India, otherwise you must watch this video. It's help for everyone who are new learner of grammar. Mostly students they have difficulties how to understand the grammar and what is the meaning of grammar. So let's fix this problem. We are discussing about the topic is sentence. Sentence is a sense of grammar. It start with you and end with you. So check out here. Let's see the what is the meaning of sentence and what is definition of sentence. A group of words arranged in a manner which makes a complete sense is called a sentence. किसी वाक्य को सही तरीके से सही ढंग से बनाने की क्रिया को ही वाक्य कहते हैं। वाक्य का दूसरा डेफिनेशन होता है कि कई सारे वर्ड्स मिलकर एक मीनिंग बनाते हैं और मीनिंग्स सही ग्रामेटिकल अरेंज होकर एक वाक्य बनता है। ये आपका छोटा सा डेफिनेशन है। आगे वीडियो में इन वाक्य किस प्रकार के होते हैं उसके बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे। Topic is declarative assertive sentence. What is assertive and declarative sentence? We are going to discuss in this topic. A sentence that makes a statement or assertion is called declarative or assertive sentence. It can be used in both sense affirmative and negative. Meaning of this definition saying we are use this sentence, this declarative or assertive, both side of negative and positive. I am not going to do this work. I am not means not is the mean of negative and I am going to do is the positive. So we will add this sentence in both side of negative and positive. We look at the example and understand more confidently what about that. The earth is round. What the meaning of earth? Earth is round. It's talking about the full of sense earth. This is the earth. It's all shapes is round. Round. What do you understand that? This is assertive sentence. Most of the time people use of the assertive sentence in grammatical because declarative sentence is the describing the other sense but assertive mostly used. So next is Ram ate an apple. What is the meaning of? Ram is the individual person who can eat an apple. So there is one important thing you need to notice. An apple. When you pronunciation this word, you say it very quickly. An orange. An orange. Do not say an orange because you mix up the pronunciation sense. That's a good sense for vowel. We will discuss about the next topic. Our third example is Rohan will not go to the market. Rohan is a person. Rohan is a noun. Rohan is a noun. Will is used for future. Will is especially used for future. Not go to the market. Not go to the market. What is market? Market is the place people visit to buy vegetable, fruits, electronic gadgets. Otherwise, market is the place of the four roads come together and meet. There are people, lots of people and shops. This is the called market. And in your language, what is market? You must comment in the comment box. You must tell me about what is market in your language if everywhere in India otherwise. Let's discuss the next point. The right of the house built on the hilltop, a pleasure to watch. A pleasure to watch. Pleasure to watch means this is the feeling. Watch, this means you seeing something. Built on the hilltop. Hilltop means talking about that in upper side. Hills means something is like that. There is the top. This house is built in there in the top position of there. In otherwise. And we will discuss about the next topic. I did not like it at all. I did not. I did not means you are not like this probably. I did not means you have already decided you are not going to like this Like and otherwise is second word is dislike. Dislike. Like. We will describe this all meaning of word what I'm talking about. Like means you like something, you like to eat something, you like to eat foods, vegetables, food, otherwise anything, you like to drink, play, other everything we need to know about the like. But dislikes means you're not like for the on time. Dislikes meaning to say that if you are confused most people what the sense of dislike. And other what is come to here is hate. Hate means this you are not likely permanently. This means to say that hate is for permanently and like and dislike for on time. It all full of through. So we are going to discuss about the next topic because you have already understand this topic very well. If you have any query about this topic, so you can comment in the comment box. Let's get the discuss about the next topic is imperative sentence. What is discuss about the topic and need to know about the actually sense. A sentence that express a command, request, imperative, or wish is called an imperative sentence. Imperative means something you need to do, something you ask to. If someone is suggest to you all these topics, what the meaning of actually we understand here. Shut the door. Someone is strictly command to you, you do this work, this is command. You need to go, just you leave it. You leave it and go do it like that. Someone asked to, if someone said to you, this is command. You are under control of somewhere, you are under control of some person, you are under control of anywhere. This is a command. I hope you get it. Next topic is, next example, bring me a cup hot tea. What is tea? You know very well. Tea is hot. Hot tea. Hot tea. If you can change this, hot water, hot boil, hot anything, hot food, otherwise. You bring me, you command to someone do that. In your family, you ask to a person do like that. This is the matter. This is the sense. Bring me a cup of tea. But this tea is not actually ready. It's talking about you going to do. Understand? Next topic is, please show me the way to the stadium. Please is the meaning of the request. Someone asking to you, you can suggest me or say something. Please is the request command. You are probably in the polite person asking for anyone. You don't need to confuse and hesitation. Just go through and just say please. The what is actually mean of say something. Show me the way. Show me the way. Way means is a pattern of the road, a pattern of the station, pattern of the hills, anywhere like that. We are trying to say someone asking you where is the platform. So you give as a new pathway, so you can go to this way, you can go this way. This all the matter is the meaning of show me means you guide me, you suggest me. What is that? Next is way to the stadium. Way the find of any internal road, any external road you suggest me. Station. This is the request to do something. A request to say something. Request to opposite something. Means you are in under control and not over right now. You said something, please suggest me. Like that. Next topic is, you should not speak impolitely. You should not. Someone suggests to you, like a teacher said to you, you are not good at English. You confuse that. Why sir teach me like that? I'm not in English. I'm not good at English. I'm good at English. Oh my God, I can't do this. So just keep it. Forget this example. So let's hear to me and we will suggest you what is the meaning and what should be understanding. Impolitely means you are not completely and politely down. You have no sense what to the next to the person. This means someone suggests you advice. In your family, your father, your mother, your teacher always advise a good pathway. But some of your friends, they talking about do something bad work, do something like stuff work. But some of think that what is negative, positive, just forget it. Then stand the topic. Topic is you should not speak impolitely. Suggestion advice. Someone advised to do something best. Next example is and last example is command. Politely you understand. I mean say I am very polite to you and you understand this topic. Be quiet. Quiet means what? Quiet means shut your mouth. Quiet means don't make noise. Quiet means just slow. All means say you are under control of somewhere. Someone command you, someone guide you. And I hope you understand this video. And next topic we are going to discuss is interrogative sentence. What is interrogative sentence? And what is the meaning of interrogative sentence? What is symbol of interrogative sentence? All these things we are going to discuss in this form. If you see anywhere this mark, end of mark in any question, if you read any books, you finish up the chapter, last you see the sum of the question. So what is the question asking to? Question asking to answer. This is the interrogative. Let's discuss about the interrogative meaning of sense. Interrogative, a sentence that asks a question, is called an interrogative sentence. What is sentence? What kind of sentence? First example is, what is your name? Someone asking to you, what is your name? But where this sentence used of? If you go to the school for admission, you go to the train, you go to the airport, the administrator department asking to question, what is your name? So this is the question directly asking to you. This question related to interrogative sentence. Next example is, where do you live? Where do you live? If you are going to the new city and you are belonging to somewhere, so you think that where I am and where this place. This place means where, means some place. Do you live? Where do you live? Someone asking to you, where do you live, or where you are from, and what kind of, where is the place. This all thing is related to you. Next example is, do you know what is mean? Someone seeing you a paper, someone seeing a book, someone giving to you anything like that. Yes, you presently see these things and see and think about that. What is the mean? If you see a aeroplane, what is that? And what is this? And what is the mean of that? If you seeing a symbol, you seeing a newspaper. Otherwise, all kinds of things is related to in this example. Is there any train to Lucknow at this hour? What the mean of example? Let me explain you. Is there is indicated to a place. A place means there any train is going through by this way. Any train means you symbolize for someone, especially a train to Lucknow. To is represent and to is denoted to here for Lucknow is a destination. Both you are asking to you from a place, a city to next city. This is the meaning of here. At this hour means you are asking in the whole time for 1 hour. You need to know and the on time. This means of sense. And last example is, do you sing? Is question if anyone asks you in your early life, क्या आपने कभी गाया है? This question asking to you. You must comment in the comment box and I give you time to take a screenshot. Explanatory sentence. We are discussing about and explain to you what is explanatory sentence and where we can use this explanatory sentence. Because some of the students, when they are studying in their life, they confuse this is the symbol meaning and what is symbol is talking about. We are everyone confused for somewhere when we studying the grammar. A grammatical meaning of what a student who never understand meaning of that. Let's clear all these topics to you. Explanatory sentence. A sentence that expresses a strong feeling is called an explanatory sentence. So here is noted some of the point. Point is express. Express means is inside of your body. You have just a feeling. Feeling means you feel something in your life. If someone says to you, as someone anything, you have a good feeling and bad feeling in your life, you express by your emotion. This is related to all these explanatory sentence. Strong feeling. Strong feeling means you have a strong purpose. you have a strong sudden, you have a strong sorrow, strong happiness. All these things is explanatory sentence, is called explanatory sentence. First example is showing to here, what an idea. If you have something in your mind running, so no one can see your mind, but everyone know that what's running on your mind. You're talking about that, I have a plan for do future in something like that. I have planned to play something like that. I have say something to you in a new way. This is all these things related to a one topic is an idea. An idea. Why you are using an with idea? An is the vowel and I is the same vowel. When you start vowel like this word, idea start with I and vowel used for n. The sound is come for one side like that. I am pronouncing must to hear an idea. An idea is totally wrong. Totally wrong. If you pronounce like that, an idea, not, it's totally wrong. The correct pronunciation of this is an idea. An idea. Like this. Next example is, lo, a genie come out of the magic lamp. This is your homework, because I have already explained what is the explanatory sentence, and now you understand that explanatory sentence mean of that. So you comment and what the meaning of that and what is exactly explanatory sentence. We will discuss about the next video, but this is your homework. Next example is, may you achieve success in all your endeavors. This means you success in your life, like exam, patterns, otherwise play, anything kind of success in your life. This are related to achieve. Achieve means you got something. Success means something you achieve a grade up your level. Like you studying in 10th, you grow up 11th. You studying in 12th, you grow up in graduation. For otherwise any kinds of exam. Other one is, next example is, hooray, we have won the match. This is the strong emotion feeling that in the end of time, a quotation a period of football match end and a win side is express their feeling by hooray, we have won the match. This is internal feeling of that. So next and last example is, what a beautiful picture it is. This means this picture is really beautiful. I have never seen this like that. Yeah, this is make me feel to so blessed. Yeah, something like that. I feel is emotional feeling. The emotional feeling means that you are attached with something problem. Anything you have attached with that. This is explanatory sentence. If you understand this topic, so please take the screenshot. Give it time. End of the video. I hope you understand what is sentence, what kind of sentence. If you have any query related of sentence, yeah, what is the problem of sentence and which sentence is not you understand properly, so you repeat and repeat watch this video, and please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching this video. Thank you.